I believe this is a stupid ass nature project. What the hell is going on? So just wait. What? Do you hear that?
What is that?
Do you? What? Is that the?
Do you see that?
What? What the hell is?
What the fuck is that?
Do you think they know that the blinds are open? I don't know what's going on. Should we get? I think we should get closer. I don't. Yeah, be quiet now.
Let's go here. Just ancient culture.
This person's crazy. Hold on.
What should we do?
I don't know. I mean, I guess you could consider this a nature project. And she sure is a project.
How could we miss this before?
I don't know. Crazy. They sure like to move it though.
Damn, she moves well.
This is crazy.
Is this a tribal dance?
I don't know. Maybe it's part of a... I don't know. They're done.